Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to use multiple copy. For example, I will create a rectangle object and you can set the dimensions. I will use the manual dimensions. Okay, we click again at this point. Now, if you want to use the multiple copy, you can select the object, click the multiple copy icons, and I will use the interval. Click at this point. So I'll be show the option. In here, the general objects interval 1500, and I will change like into 3000. The next, click OK. Now we can move the cursor mouse into center point of the object. Will be show for the multiple copy icon. Click hold, and then you can move to drag here to copy the object. Release to set the copy. I will select again this object and use the multiple copy icons. Click enter file. I will set into 3500. Click OK. Move again the cursor mouse into center point of the objects. Click hold, and then you can move to the top to create the multiple copy. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to use multiple copy. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.